Hello and welcome. Today we're going to do a short video about how to do a stylish intro to your YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's just go right ahead and dive right into it. The website we're going to be using is called Panzoid. So when you do a search on Google for Panzoid, the very first website is going to come up is panzoid.com. We want to go and click right on that, and when the website loads, it loads quite fast. Well, it depends on your internet connection, I suppose, but on my one it loads quite fast. And also you can see when you open the home page, there's three major tabs at the top: the clip maker, the backgrounder, and the video editor. Now we're going to be using the clip maker, but the way we're going to come to the clips is we're going to go through the creations. Now you see some creations here, but also to get some more, you can go top left corner, click, and then you see some creations. Click on creations, and up there at the top where the tabs are, you can see quite a lot of them. You can go trending creations, latest ones, or the top ones. Let's just go with the top ones, and just for the sake of this tutorial, let's just choose the very first one. Now it says open in clip maker. We're going to click on opening clip maker, and we're opening clip maker, and this is all running on the actual website. None of it is running on your computer. So what we're presented with here on the very first screen is the actual sort of a camera inside the setup. We want to go and see how it's going to look from our point of view, not from this particular camera's point of view. So we're going to press on this eye icon here, and that kind of changes everything, and we're going to press play just to see what it looks like. We'll look at this and think whether do we like this or not. If we like it, then we're going to continue. So what we're going to do is, let's just say go to somewhere where we can see how it looks like, and then go in the very first box, tick box, and check these basic settings. Now it depends what sort of videos you're interested in uploading, but I would suggest don't go with anything less than 1080p. You can choose here. You can go up to 4K. For the purpose of the tutorial, again, let's go with 1080p. That's how I make my ones anyways. The frame rate, let's just leave that at 30. You can go 30 or 60 frames per second. And then the length, 9.9 seconds. I would say this is alright, but if you were planning to take on some clips which are bigger than 10 seconds, I would strongly advise against it, just because it just takes too long for the viewers to basically go through your intro scene. Now we see this text here which says name. We want to change that, so we go on the left hand side. You see where this cube is, where all the objects in the actual intro are, and you see the very first one, it says text. So all of these are going to be the same. You're going to see a text group, and you're basically going to want to change the text. There's so many other parameters that you can change on these intros, but the most important one for us is the name one. So we've got three texts here which says name, 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 and just to show, we're going to change them. How we're going to change them, I'm going to do it right now. So it says 3D text name. We're going to change this to, let's say, extra, and then we're going to click play, and you see it's changed to extra now, but the sort of background is still name. So we want to change these other two, name, into extra as well. We're going to click on them and then change the text into extra, and then do the same one for the third one, extra. And now let's play and see. It looks quite nice. Now on the left hand side, there's more effects that we can change. and camera views. So if you want to point the camera for left or right, you see position, rotation, camera shake as well, shake speed as well at 12. So you can basically remove or add shakes. It all depends on the actual intro. And on the left hand side, right behind beneath the camera here, you've got these musical notes. When you click on that, you can see you can select an audio file. If you click on that, then you can select a file from your computer. If you want to select a file from your computer, if you want to leave your ones, leave the one that's already on, just continue with this download section. Now, here it says what mode. Now the mode is going to be from the fastest render to balanced through good quality all the way to extreme quality, and it says slow. It doesn't really matter that it says slow. You want the extreme quality, the best quality for your intro. So just click on that, and the formats are WebM, MM, and MKV. I would just leave MKV and then click on Start Video Render. Once you click on this Start Video Render, what happens is basically it's going to calculate for how long the actual rendering is going to take. And this is just going to take a few minutes. It's gone down to 5 minutes now, but I'm not going to waste your time with that. I'm just going to fast forward through it. Whilst waiting to render, if you like this tutorial, then please do browse through my channel and have a look at the other videos, and if you like them, please do subscribe. So let's continue and download the video now once it's rendered. Click on the download the video, and it says thank you for using Panzoid. Your downloading starting. We've downloaded the video as an MKV format. Let us open it. So I'm going to open it right now. I am using a video editor. So that's the free version. So let us continue with the demo version, and we're adding the files right now. So that's gonna take a little while, and once the files are added, we can see the way the intro looks. The intro is finished now, and we can just play the intro and see what it looks like. And there's one more full screen view. And I think that looks nice, and we can continue using this into our YouTube channel videos. So subscribe if you like the channel, and please put the thumbs up, and thank you for watching the video. Cheers.